The skepticism around work-from-home opportunities is valid, given the history of scams and too-good-to-be-true offers in this realm. However, as technology has evolved and remote work has become more accepted, there are indeed legitimate and well-paying work-from-home jobs. At the same time, scams still exist, so it's essential to be discerning. Here's a breakdown. Legitimate work-from-home opportunities, remote corporate jobs. Many companies have started offering remote positions, especially post-pandemic. Jobs in tech, marketing, customer support, and even some executive roles can now be done entirely from home. Freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. Fields like writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing have a robust demand. Online teaching, tutoring. With platforms like VIP Kid, Teachable, or Coursera, educators can teach subjects or skills online. E-commerce. Selling products on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon can be profitable. However, it requires understanding marketing, inventory management, and customer service. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products and earning a commission on sales through your links, you can make money. This often involves starting a blog or YouTube channel and growing an audience. Consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, such as business strategy or personal development, you can offer your services online. Suspect opportunities. To watch out for get-rich-quick schemes. Any program that promises substantial money for minimal effort, especially if there's a fee involved, should be approached with caution. Data entry jobs. While some might be legitimate, many are scams or pay extremely low wages. Envelope stuffing. This is a classic scam. The idea of getting paid to stuff envelopes is outdated and often used as bait for unsuspecting individuals. Mystery shopping. While legitimate mystery shopping opportunities exist, many are scams that ask you to pay upfront for a list of opportunities. Unsolicited job offers. If you receive an email out of the blue offering a too-good-to-be-true work-from-home job, be wary. Tips to identify legitimate opportunities. Research the company. Always do your homework. Look for reviews, check the Better Business Bureau, and try to find testimonials or references. Trust your gut. If something feels off or too good to be true, it probably is.